Hey guys, out doing a little dirt fishing today. So far I found a 1973 Memorial penny and a brand new nickel, but I just hit a 2-coin spill. So let's check it out. Alright, let's see. Looks like pennies. That's obviously new. What is that? That's not... That's a fake penny. That's... It's plastic. Oops, where'd it go? It's plastic. Oh, I dropped it. I won't find it with the metal detector. So it was a new penny and a play penny, if I can find it again. Hold on. Yep. So it's a real penny and a plastic penny. Same hole. That's a strange find. I'll take it. You would too.